How to make a pie chart in Excel. Have you ever seen a report from Excel that was presented in such a way that you read all the data from the chart? If so, you must have wanted to know how it can be achieved and make the presentation much more interesting. Stay until the end of the video and find out how it's possible. First of all, open the table you want to display in the pie chart. When the table has opened, select the areas you want to display. I will select the entire table. After that, you need to go to the Insert section located in the top menu and find the pie chart icon in it and click on it. When you have done that, a menu will open where you can choose the model you want to display. Choose the first one. As you can see, the data has been displayed, but it is not very pleasing to the eye. Let's make them beautiful. In order to access the customization settings, we need to click on an empty spot on the chart. The Chart Design menu will open in the top menu. Here you can choose the style of your chart. Choose one of styles. Also, if we click on the Change Colors option, we will be able to choose the color palette that best fits the scene. Last but not least is the name of the chart. We can change that by simply clicking on the chart title and entering the title we want. That's all for this video. This way your chart will be customized and more suitable for presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.